Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make sure you can do a proper forward stop for your CDL road test. It's one of the quickest maneuvers on your CDL test, but it's also one of the easiest ones to mess up. The forward stop sounds simple, right? You just drive forward and stop. But when it comes to doing the job, precision is everything, and stopping even a few inches short or too far can cost you the entire test. Let's go over exactly how to perform the perfect forward stop every single time. So the forward stop was actually created to check you on two critical skills. One is going to be the vehicle control and depth perception. It proves to the examiner that you know how to control your truck's speed and judge your stopping distance, which is huge when you're maneuvering a 70-foot vehicle. On the job, you'll be using the same skill every time you line up for a dock, a toll booth, or even stopping at a red light. So just mastering this maneuver isn't just about passing your test, it's about staying safe and accurate in the actual real world as well. Alright, so before we get started, let's get into the actual rules of the forward stop. So when it comes to test day, the examiner is going to tell you exactly where you're starting from and exactly where you're going to be ending. There's going to be about a 2 to 3 foot box at the end of the alley that you have to put the frontmost part of your vehicle inside of that box, right? You can't cross any lines as you're moving up, and you must make sure that you stop completely within that box. The first time that you stop, if it's outside the box, whether it's too short or too far, if you fail this maneuver, you could potentially fail the entire road test itself. That being said, the next step for you is come train hands-on at one of our locations. We're the best CDL school in the country. To find the location near you, check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, and we can show you this maneuver and every other maneuver you need in order to pass the CDL road test and get yourself on the road to freedom. Our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom, and we're open up 7 days a week, so we make it super simple for you. And all you need to get started is $500 down, and we can get you behind the wheel today and getting you ready to pass that CDL road test and get you on that road to freedom. Alright, so now let's get started with a forward stop. This is going to be one of the easiest maneuvers to actually mess up. That's right. From the outside it looks super simple. Hey, all I got to do is drive up straight and stop where I want to stop, right? But the hard part is going to be when you're actually doing it. So let's get right into the step-by-step guide. So the vehicle is going to be starting behind this line, or wherever the examiner tells you to go. At this point, the goal is to make sure that this front bumper, or the frontmost part of the vehicle, is going to stop within this box here. Now the thing you have to understand is that you get 0 get out looks and you get 0 redos, which means you have to get this one and done every single time. And that's what makes this a little bit more difficult than you probably thought. That being said, let's get right into it. So the examiner is going to read you the instructions. You're going to have to go all the way forward and stop. You have one chance to actually stop the vehicle. If you stop here, the test is over, and that's where they're going to be grading you. So it sounds pretty simple. All you're going to do, you're going to get inside the vehicle, you're going to check out the mirrors, make sure everything is straight, pull up straight, and then you're going to want to make sure you stop 100% within this line here. Now, if you do that successfully, congratulations, you passed this maneuver and you're ready for the next one. Now let's go through some common mistakes people actually make and can actually cause them to fail the entire road test. So mistake number one that somebody's going to have, the common one, is going to be that they stop too short or they stop too far. So if you're stopping here or stopping here, you did not pass this test at all. Now from the outside looking in, this seems super simple. But the thing that you don't understand is when you actually get inside the truck, the spatial awareness that you have makes things a lot more difficult to understand. So when you're actually training in our training yard, you want to make sure that when you're practicing this maneuver, you get out of the vehicle as much as possible for you to start understanding what kind of space you have in front of you. Because when you actually start driving, you're going to think that you passed it, but you didn't even touch it yet. By getting out of the vehicle, it's going to help you out. Now, common mistake number 2 is going to be you're pulling up straight and you're going nice and slow, and all of a sudden you come to a stop here and then you readjust and then you go there. If you come to a complete stop before the line, that's it. Your test is going to be marked as if you stopped here, and that's no good. So the idea, once more, is to make sure that you're going to pull up all the way straight in a constant motion, not stopping, until you get exactly within this box. And that's it. It's just that simple. Getting inside the box means that you're able to pass and move on. Not getting inside the box could mean you failed the entire test. So make sure that you get the right training that you need, and everything else should take care of itself. Okay, now that you've seen some of the theory behind these maneuvers, as well as the do's and don'ts, let's take you out to the yard to see what it really looks like in real life. Alright, so for forward stop, we're starting off with the POV inside the vehicle, and you can see the cones in front of us in the lane. The idea is to pull this vehicle up straight, as we can see here. We're making sure that we're checking our mirrors to make sure the entire vehicle is inside the truck, and we have to make sure we're lining up that front bumper with those front two cones. So you're going to be pulling up. You can only stop once, remember that, and then you're going to come to a complete stop, and as you can see, our instructor actually did it correctly. Pull in the brakes, honking the horn, and he's ready to rock and roll. So there it is. That's everything you need to know about how to forward stop. See you on the next one. If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.